Well, the old Coleman, she's seen better days. Still works real good, but you know, these Coleman stoves, they don't have real good control on the flames. So we decided to upgrade the stove a little bit. This old girl will still go with us. She'll be in the trailer in case we ever need a backup stove. But yeah, let me show you what we got to upgrade. So we ran across a pretty good deal online for the Jet Boil Genesis. Check it out. And there it is. So let's see what's inside this bad boy. See here, I think these little buttons just pull out or something.
Underneath. There we go.
So we still have our 2-burner stove. No walls around it, but they give us this little windscreen to use if needed. And I guess it clips up under the feet or something.
Yeah, it's like that. So,
cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit breezy right now, so let's try using it without that.
Alright. And where does it go? This end?
Where it says fuel inlet.
Amazing.
Try the other side, it works better.
Which side? Oh, yeah. I'm left-handed. What do you expect?
Well, as easy doesn't seem too interested in this. Back to the show. Okay. It won't ever tighten so tight you can't move this, but
okay.
It should be snug. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, so we got it all set up. Everything's hooked up. Let's see how this bad boy works out. We'll set us a small pot of boiling water on there and see how long it takes to boil. Turn it up on high just like you can try to boil, I guess. All the way up. All the way.
All the way.
Alright. So it is
339.
339. We'll come back when it's boiling and tell you how long it took to boil this little small pot of water. Alright, here we are about 6 minutes into it, and we're already getting our little boil bubbles under the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stop here for the sake of doing this. It'd probably take another 4 or 5 minutes to get the water churning, but I'm going to make coffee out in the camp. That's plenty hot right there. Not bad, 6 minutes. And it's like I said, we bought this sucker to give us, can't really see a flame good on this. Try that right there. To try to give us better control over the flame. And I can get that flame pretty low with this wind blowing right now. It's a good wind blowing. And I bet if I put that shield up, it'd get a lot better. But this is just a quickie, so I didn't want to take too much time up. Oh yeah. Now the wind's affecting the flame. But yeah, I think it's going to work out for us. Like I said, if I had to put that shield up to protect the flame, then we can do that, depending on where we're at. Yeah, I got really low and there's still flame coming out. So yeah, I like this. I think it's going to work out for us. The Omnia Jet Boil Genesis. Time will tell. Thanks for watching.